What sound does a rooster make? Yeah, what sound does a pig make? What sound does a cow make? What sound does a horse make? Yeah. Yeah, what sound does a cat make? What sound does a dog make? Yeah. What sound does a zombie make? Thank you, Daddy, for that, huh? Did Daddy teach you how to make a zombie noise?
Daddy.
Yeah.
Brains.
Yeah, he taught you how to say brains, huh?
Daddy. Brains.
Yeah. Zzz. And who makes the brain sound? Zombies?
Brains.
Yeah. What other sounds do you know, Caleb? What sound does a train make?
Choo-choo.
Yeah.
No.
Are you done with your chili? Okay, say bye-bye to the camera.
Bye-bye.
Wave to the camera.
Bye-bye.
Look at the camera. You're not. Oh, you looking at T?